Good morning, boys and girls. How are you? Teacher Tim here, and I'm doing great. So, in today's video clip, we're going to talk about subtracting using another method. Okay? I don't know if you remember when we did addition using another method in the last chapter unit in the book. So this is the same thing, but now instead of addition, we're doing subtraction. Okay? So the main unit is still subtraction to 20, but now the topic is subtracting using another method. So we have 3 more methods that we're going to use. I'm going to teach you about them. If you look to my right here, we start with place value method. The place value, and you remember right, the value of the number is dependent on what place it has. So subtract 7 from 19, which means you have 19, you take away 7. So 19 minus 7. Okay? So the place value, so here we have 10s, so we have 1 10. Because that is worth 10 ones. This is in the 10th place. That means that one of these is worth 10 ones. And then we have 9 ones. So they are worth 9. But this one is worth 10. If you think of ones. So let's count. 1 10 is worth 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 ones. And then in the ones place, we have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here we have 9 ones, 9 ones, and 1 10. 1 tenth. But 1 tenth is worth more than 9 ones. Right? Okay, so let's start with deduct 7 from 19. So that we do by deduct 7 from 9, because we do not need to touch the ones. We only have we don't need to touch the tens. We have 1 tenth, but we do not need to focus on that at all right now. So instead, 19, if we use number bonds, then we separate 19 into 2 parts. Part 1, 10. 10 is this here. 10 ones is 1 tenth. And then part 2 is 9. 9 ones is 9. So 10 plus 9 equals 19. But if we're using the place value method, then we only write 1 in the tens place and then 9 in the ones place. So now let's deduct 7, because 7 is ones, 7 ones. It is not tens. Alright? Because you see here, there is nothing there. No 1, no 2. No, there's nothing. So just a single 7 means it is 7 ones. Hence the place value. So because here they have 2 places, so the last place is ones, and the place next to the last place is tens. So that's why it's called the place value method. So okay, let's start with crossing out 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So then we have how many? 2 left. So 9 minus 7 equals 2. Okay? And go up to the right. minus 7 equals 2. We have already done the ones. So this is already 2. Now we go to tens. The tens, here we have 0. So 1 minus 0 equals 1. So here is the answer. 12. Okay? Answer 12. Okay? Good. Now we go here. Number 2, the second method. Expanded form method. Okay? So step number 1, write in the expanded form. Subtract 5 from 18, and if you're going to write that in the expanded form, you write 18 equals 10 plus 8. And then the deduction, you deduct 5, so that 5 equals no tens, ones, 5 ones. This is the same as here. Tens and ones. Tens and ones. So you deduct the ones, start with ones, expand the form, and then you start with deducting. So number 2 is subtract the ones. So 8 minus 5 is 3. Okay, 8 minus 5 equals 3. I'm sorry, I dropped my pen. Alright, and then step number 3, subtract the tens. Subtract the tens. So we have already done this. This is 3. Now we subtract the tens. 10 minus 0 equals 10. And then you plus. 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3 equals 13. Good. So the answer is 13. 18 minus 5 is 13. Okay? Now the last method is all the way to my left. So I need to change the camera angle a little bit. I'll be right back. Okay, so the last method is called the shortcut method, and subtract 2 from 12. Subtract 2 from 12 equals 12 minus 2. So first step, number 1, write in a vertical format. So 12 minus 2 equals, then step number 2, subtract the 1s. Subtract the 1s. 2 minus 2 equals 0. And the last step, subtract the tens. So this you already know is 0. And then 1 minus 0 equals 1. So the answer is 10. 12 minus 2 equals 10. That is the answer. 10. Okay? I hope you understand. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. Alright? Good. Now, let's look at some homework in the book. Okay, I will give you 3 pages to do as homework. 235, 236, and 237. 235 and 237. Homework. So this will be your homework, pages 235 to 237. So 3 pages. Okay? Good. So take care and I will see you next time. Bye bye. Okay, so now mothers and fathers, this part of the video is now for you. I have given you the answers here. So what I just explained in the video clip, the three different methods to solve subtractions: placed value method, the expanded form method, and then the shortcut method. So here are the answers to A and B of these. And the next one, 14 minus 2 is 12, 16 minus 0 is 16, and I can't see, 12 minus 2 is 10, 17 minus 6 is 11, 15 minus 0 is 15, and 18 minus 3 is 15, and lastly 19 minus 5 is 14. And then they have to solve the equations. 19 minus pardon me, 19 minus 8 is what, how much? And then they have to calculate 14 minus 3, 15 minus 2, and 11 minus 0 to see which has the same answers. Okay, so which are the same as 19 minus 8. And as you can see here, the correct answers can be more than one. Okay, do A and B. And lastly, the last page. So cross out the number that the difference is 2 more than 16 minus 5. So 16 minus 5 is what? Okay, let's do this, the ones. 6 minus 5 is 1. 1 plus 10 is 11. And then the difference is 2 more. So you have 11 and then 2 more. So you need to do plus. So 11 plus 2 is 13. Okay, and B, cross out the number that is the difference, that the difference is 5 more than 14 minus 2. So let's start with 14 minus 2 and we do the ones only. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 plus 10, 12. So 12, and then the difference that is 5 more than 12. So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. 17 is the answer. Okay, and then you do the same thing with C and D. Okay, and that is all for this video clip. Take care, moms and dads, and I will see you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.